Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Malwarebytes real-time protection won't turn on. First method is quit Malwarebytes. Right-click Malwarebytes, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, OK. Second method is open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Click Malwarebytes support tool. Open downloaded file. Check Accept License Agreement, click Next. Click Advanced. Click Clean. Click Yes to reinstall Malwarebytes for Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.